Hey, what's up, hustlers? Faviola, the CEO hustler. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today I want to talk a little bit more with regards to some of the posts that I share with you. Now, I don't share them to brag or to say, oh, woohoo, look at Faviola. No, I share them to let you know that there is so much potential out there for you. There is so much work for all of us. And so when people start bashing or start feeling threatened or start feeling like there's not enough work for us out there, there actually is. You just have to learn how to tap into it. So one of the screenshots that I shared was basically my Google Maps history. And what that does for me is that, for somebody that is has the diversity, provides services throughout different business sectors, throughout different areas, this helps me to remind me every quarter of where I provided services, where I can tap into services. So if your business is on Google, make sure that you subscribe so that you can get these monthly alerts. But I usually try to do it every quarter, and I try to incorporate it into my marketing plan. So for example, I had mentioned before, I am pretty booked for the next couple of months. Of course, there's little gaps in between where I can still take on new clients. However, when I'm incorporating my marketing plan, I utilize the Google. Just a reminder, I go back to my analytics. Now, for my online business, I use a different method, and that's basically when I'm promoting on social media, what's bringing me more business or more hits, or what's routing into my website, what is actually functioning. Like I said before, I don't spend money on marketing. It's all of my business comes from word of mouth, comes from ensuring that I'm basically visible online, checking to see, again, my analytics to see what's working, what's not. So I wanted to just share that with you because some people can be ruthless online. Some people can feel threatened. Some people can feel like I'm bragging, and I am no way, shape, or form, and you shouldn't feel that way either. So I always say, we have to celebrate our achievements. We have to celebrate when things are going good, because business brings us so much ups and downs, and sometimes we tend to forget about all of the good. So it's super important that we share that with you so that it motivates you, and it's not so much to brag. Again, it's for motivational purposes. So if you agree with me, make sure that you like, comment, share. And I usually share that in my feed because not only does that help me, but more importantly, helps you to promote your businesses with the followers that I have on my feed. So it's a win-win situation, although many of you guys look at it as like, oh, if I comment, if I like, if I share, I'm doing her a service. But no, it's a win-win situation. So you have to, again, think outside the box. What's going to work for you, for your business? And so everything that I share with you, the tips, the resources, the guidance, mentorship, training, etc., 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 is because these are proven methods that have worked for me, and I know for a fact they are going to work for you. And like I always say, let's get ready to boss up and rise.